tonight, the Centers for Disease Control is changing guidance on what it means to be in close contact with someone with COVID-19.
Now, this could have a big impact on who needs to quarantine and contact tracing as well. News 6's Troy Campbell is live breaking down the new information and what it means for you. Troy?
Yeah, I spoke with an infectious disease doctor who said the update from the CDC will likely increase the amount of people who will be considered close contacts to someone who's infected. The director of the CDC saying brief interactions within 6 feet could be infectious.
An individual who had a series of shorter contacts, but over time added up to more than 15 minutes, became infected.
CDC Director Dr. Robert Redfield saying new data has prompted the Institute to change its COVID-19 guidelines to include someone could be infected if they interact with an infected person for just minutes at a time, totaling 15 minutes within a 24-hour time period.
People are going to have to really take that into account now, that it doesn't have to be consecutive, that it could be you saw somebody this morning and then you saw them later in the afternoon.
Epidemiologist and infectious disease expert at UF Health, Dr. Nicole Iovine says the new info from the CDC will likely affect schools in Central Florida as health officials work to contact trace after an outbreak.
Now, both of those times that there's interaction between students and the teacher will have to be counted to see if it comes up to be 15 minutes or more.
The CDC mentioning a case where a prison guard contracted COVID-19 after interacting with an infected inmate for less than 15 minutes at one time. Dr. Iovine saying the new change will likely result in more people being asked to quarantine.
That's going to be more difficult for people, I think, to recall and quantify. Was that yesterday or was that the day before?
Dr. Iovine also wants to remind people to get their flu shot, saying research shows people can get both COVID-19 and influenza. In the meantime, the CDC says wearing a mask and washing your hands frequently is still the best way to slow down the spread. Live in Orlando tonight, Troy Campbell, Getting Results, News 6.
Troy, thank you. Ahead at 11.